To start using Hoopla, go to www.picnet.org, hover over Digital Library, then select Digital Movies. Then select Hoopla. Hoopla also includes music, ebooks, audiobooks, and more. Let's create a new account. Click Get Started today. Fill in your email address and select a password. Under Choose Your Library, search for or select Pickering Public Library. Choose whether you'd like to be notified by email, then enter in your library card credentials. Click Agree to allow Hoopla to verify your registration, then click Sign Me Up. You must accept Hoopla's terms and conditions of use to continue. Once inside Hoopla, you will be taken to the My Hoopla page. Hoopla includes audiobooks, movies, music, comics, ebooks, and television. Let's get started with an audiobook. Select a title that interests you, then click Borrow, then Borrow Title. You can begin playback immediately.
7 Thoughts to Live Your Life By. A Guide to the Happy, Peaceful, and Meaningful Life by I.C. Robledo. Narrated by Markham Anderson. An introduction to the 7 Thoughts to Live Your Life By.
Increase or
We are
decrease the
shaped by our
volume,
thoughts. We
play
become
or
what we think.
pause.
When the mind is pure, joy
Click on
follows
the
like a
up
shadow
arrow
that
for
never
more
leaves.
player options.
Buddha.
Use the media player controls to navigate your way through the audiobook.
A destructive force within. Now, let's begin with my life and what drove me to write this book in the first place.
If you go back to My Hoopla, you can see the audiobook signed out to your account. Now let's watch a movie. Go to Movies, find a title you're interested in, and just like the audiobook, click Borrow. Pressing play will begin playback immediately. Now let's download some music. Click Browse, then Music. Find an album. Click Borrow, then Borrow Title. As before, clicking play on any media title will begin playback immediately.
If you don't wanna see me.
Click the up arrow for more media player options. You can navigate through tracks, shuffle, or even loop playback. Now let's read an ebook. Click Browse, then Ebooks. Find a title you like. In my case, I'll pick Harry Potter. Click Borrow, then Borrow Title, then click Read. Navigate through the pages using the side arrows. Increase the font size and even change the theme, such as dark mode for nighttime reading. You can even access the various chapters of the book. Set a bookmark to save your place. Finally, let's check out a television series. Click Browse, then Television. You can browse for a title, but let's do a search this time. In the search dropdown, select Television, then enter the title of the TV series you wish to search for. Then borrow the specific episode you wish to watch. You can play or pause, adjust the volume level, scrub through the timeline, turn on subtitles, and even go full screen. Adjust the font color and size for subtitles, and when in full screen, press Escape key to exit. Let's learn how to save a favorite. Find a title you wish to favorite. In my case, I will select a movie. Select the title, then once inside, click the heart icon. Using the mobile app is equally as easy. Find Hoopla under your appropriate app store, in my case, Google Play. Search for Hoopla and then install the app. In my case, the app is already installed. Launch Hoopla, then log in using the existing account that we previously created. If you have any cast devices such as TVs, you can cast directly to these devices. All of your currently checked out items will be under Home. And any favorites will be under Favorites. Let's play back our audiobook. Access media player controls just like on the web. This concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.